Good morning everyone, ohayo gozaimasu. So today I rented this car, it's a Prius. I will show you later. It's quite nice, like the interiors are not that bad as I thought. The outside, yeah, questionable, but yeah, today we might go to Liberty Walk Sapporo. I texted the guy, he said he was gonna wait for me. So we can go there and have something exciting to say, very unique. Then we might go also to Otaru to see, it's like an Amsterdam slash Venice of Japan. So it'll be quite interesting to see. Yeah, now just go pick up Anne, she went to do some shopping. I had to rush here because I was late to rent the car, but yeah, now got it. Yeah, we will use it tomorrow to go to the airport because it's a bit hard to use the public transportation here. There are only 5 train lines. I didn't know about it, so it's better to have the car. Good that I've got my international driving license in Dubai, so now I can drive with no problem. And it's super nice, the Toyota car rental. They don't really ask for a deposit, they just pay the rental fee and that's it, and it's like really cheap. So yeah, see you later. So this is the car. Not the best looking, but very comfortable, low consumption. Yeah. The newer model, newest, like the one that just came out, is nice, but yeah, this one is a bit weird. But yeah, and is here. We're going to this place. There's supposed to be like a chocolate factory or something, she said.
She saw it online.
She saw this online, so yeah.
Don't know.
Pay attention to the car. They're gonna kill you. So we go there for the moment. Look at this place. It's crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. Oi. Go, push. Bush, say bush. Bang. We're here. Ah. Look at that. Switch to wide angle. Ah. Hey dude, what's up? Why so mad? Saying that I think food is outside. So I think we need to go on the street, because here it's only chocolate stuff. Doing this. Here's the factory of chocolate. Yeah. Seems like their specialty is white chocolate. Look at that. These machines. That's crazy. We found this thing. seems like this gold box has been made to commemorate the 350 years of producing the biscuits, chocolate biscuits. The white chocolatto. It's nighttime. It's just 4 p.m. but it gets dark quite fast. They have some Christmas. I mean, not really Christmas because it's not Christmas anymore. It's like winter themed type of stuff. Went out of the chocolate factory. Now we're gonna head to Liberty Walk Sapporo. We arrived at Liberty Walk Sapporo. Such a cool place. There's a lot of ice. Look at that. I think inside they're building something. But first, we'll check out here. Super cool. Classic GT86. A lot of these. The new Supra looks, yeah, definitely a suspension. Super cool. The R35. You have so many of these in Dubai. And this one seems on air suspensions. Just look how wide it is. Yeah, never seen before a Infiniti G35. Yeah, just filming this one's outside and it's cold. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. Wow. This Bronco also. And again, the 35. So sick. We're gonna go inside now, see how it is. Just gonna have a quick sneak peek through the glasses to see. Oh my goodness. OMG. Let's see what there is. Ferraris, Lambos. She's cold. So this is the merch shop. And they have a lot of things. And the guy, the owner, he said that this is his car. Super sick. More stuff. Has like a section of discount. I wanna see if I can also film more inside of the garage to see what there is to see. Super nice, the guy. It's like chill area in the shop over there. This guy is showing me around. It's amazing. The shop. Oh. He's like, check. The guy was like, yeah, check everything. It's like super nice. So like it's empty inside. Just need some work. That's so sick. Wow. So cool. This guy I think is one of the Sugoi. Oh, wow. He's so sick. It's fun. Very nice. Very nice. And like that, we finish our short but very nice Liberty Walk Sapporo visit. We got goodies that I have here, goodies that she has there. Then some other goodies will be sent to Toshi because they were like too big to be shipped. So yeah, we're gonna get into the majestic Prius. I'm gonna go back to hotel or maybe to eat. Let's see on the way. Actually, we might go to Otaru because we were planning to do it, but we didn't go yet. So we might go to Otaru. Oh, voila! Got some shopping bags here. Yeah, amazing. The guy was like super nice, like really friendly, and he was like amazing. He showed me around, and he was like super friendly. He was like giving me things. He gave me some gifts, and yeah, super nice. And now we will head back to the city, and I'll see if I wants to go to Otaru, because it depends what time it is. It's actually it's 6:30. We can go to Otaru to see. It's like a small Venice on near Sapporo. So let's see. It's gonna be cool. Already like this was like super exciting, and the guy is super nice, like really nice. See you later. So we left Liberty Walk and I couldn't film cinematics because my phone died. So we left and we went to Otaru. That's like a canal city, as I said earlier. Yeah, we stopped at 7-Eleven, got cables and decided to charge the phones. Because using maps kills a lot of battery and I didn't think about that. So yeah. Now we're gonna see this canal, how it looks like. What you think?
I'm looking forward to it. Please don't walk backwards, you might slip.
It's all ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun.
There's big bumpers. Like those are like carrying you with their bikes. Look.
Ah, like Risho, I think it's called. Rickshaw, something like that. I need to pay for the parking, I think. Just need to check how it works at this machine. Just found this, I thought it was cute.
We're back to the green.
So that's fun. This is the Otaru Canal. It's a nice view. We're on a bridge.
Can you picture me?
Well. Okay, I'll take a picture of you now. Came back to the city and we're going to eat again in Betty 64. We had a very good pizza and they have very good beer and wine. So we might eat again here now. See, can I enter? Food arrived. And like that. Gone. It's snowing again. Today is the day after. I didn't have much battery left, so I didn't film last night much. So now we're gonna head to the airport and go back to Tokyo. Woo! Tokyo drift feeling. Like, look at this place. Dude, this is like crazy. That's where they store all the cars. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like, dude, this is like infinite.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Please remove your car slowly. All passengers must.
Very chill. Okay, let's head out. Luggage is loaded. We head to the airport. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting ride. Nothing crazy, but yeah, let's go. I look ugly, wait.
Yeah, what can you say that you saw for the first time the new Crown Majesta?
That's my first time seeing a new Crown Majesta. It's quite nice.
Oh, I was filming in close up, it was zoomed in. Sapporo Clock Tower.
You sound like an announcement of the train.
Huh?
You sound like an announcement of the train.
Really?
Next station is Sapporo Clock Tower.
I don't think I sound like that.
Yeah, you do.
Oh.
Just have fun. When there is the snow. So many people, they're like, oh yeah, I'm so scared of driving on the snow. But I'm having so much fun. Probably because I used to go drift